So I'm going to show you how to access my website. So you type in Miss Barry's Business Notes.weebly.com and it takes you to the main page here. So the first page here is the landing page. There's a little introduction, a little bit about myself. We have the first year and the second year page. So you click on the second year page. As you can see, it's not fully done yet, but if you go into CBA 1, this will show you how you can access each part of the CBA. So if you click in here and you go to part B, this will show you the letter to your parents and the timeline of work. If you then go into C, you'll have the lesson plan for the lesson. Part D, you will have the PowerPoint presentation. So this will actually be your PowerPoint. This is the MP4 version. This is a YouTube link to the lesson plan. This is the classroom-based assessment introduction, and this is the handout for the lesson. You'll then move on to part E, which is the templates. So we have the what, so what, now what. We have the marketing mix. We have the analysing and evaluating information. We have the checklist. We have the NCCA student research, and we have the NCCA student reflection. We'll then move on to part F, which outlines the 8 key skills and the digital literacy. And then we have part G, which is the reflection. We then have an extra part down here at the bottom, which is FAQs. So you'll go into the FAQs, and this is all the questions that you may have. So it goes through them here. So if you have a question, you can check here to see if it's answered. And if it's not answered, you can go over here to the contact section. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the form and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If the question relates to the CBA, I will then post the question and the answer to the frequently asked questions. There are other stuff up on the website, such as the junior certificate. So this will be all about the exams. And then we have study tips, which you can go through here. So this is the website. It's going to be very handy, and please do not hesitate to use it.